Hello ladies and gentlemen. CC series is the most cost-effective choice of interactive flat panel with two popular sizes, 65 and 75 inch. It is applied with advanced and innovative industry design. As you can see on the top and two sides, the slim bezel is just 50.5 mm. The enlarged screen ratio also impresses users with its elegant appearance. The crystal clear display of 4K resolution enables a stunning visual effect. Wide range of I/O ports including 4K HDMI out enables great connectivity on the panel. Like in the stadium, you can use HDMI out port to scale up from the IFP to an auditorium screen. Also, the panel is compatible with standard OPS slot and Wi-Fi module slot for extensive application. The front-faced built-in speakers also create the most immersive sound experience. What's more, the panel is equipped with powerful SoC and upgraded Android system. The all-in-one network provides high-speed internet experience. The auto switch function for front USB ports can be also convenient for the user. It can be linked to both of the Android system and PC. You don't need to pull out and insert your U-disc again and again. It will save your time and also protect the ports. The latest zero-gap bonding technology creates the most natural writing experience. The distance between the tempered glass and the screen is just 1 mm, which will decrease the parallax. The difference between the point you draw and you see on the screen is dramatically narrowed because of the low parallax, and it provides you a superior writing experience. When not using the panel, click the front button. The standby power consumption is just 0.5 watt, which is energy saving and eco-friendly. If you want to wake it up, just double-click the screen. So, CC series is the most cost-effective interactive flat panel to empower your teaching in any way, at any time.